Did you know a failed home inspection could cost you the sale of your home or thousands in repairs? Hi, I'm Douglas Ramos with the Douglas Ramos Team, powered by Century 21 Alliance Realty. And I have created a free guide to help you avoid common mistakes and sail through the inspection process. My guide, 11 Things You Need to Know to Pass Your Home Inspection Before You List Your Home, covers everything you need to know to get your home ready for inspection. You'll discover the most common issues that derail sales and how to fix them, simple maintenance tips to avoid red flags, how to prepare your home so it shines during the inspection. A successful home inspection means fewer negotiations, faster closing, and a better deal for you. Don't leave it to chance. Get ahead of the potential issues before they become a problem. Download a free guide today by clicking the link below, and if you're ready to get your home sold quickly and hassle-free, let's connect. I'll help you every step of the way.